Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Myself Saadat Jahan, Principal MS Creative School, Mehboob Nagar. Working with MS is a wonderful experience for me. Now I would like to say something about MyJo concept. MyJo curriculum is completely based on National Education Policy 2020. It is based on activity learning approach and it helps the students to identify their own learning needs, wherein the students set their goals for themselves through the innovative trackers and creative activities. Jazakallah khair.
Being associated with MS since a long time, I have observed something in myself that every day I am learning something new. Here at MS, we teach progressive methods of teaching and we work as a team. We leverage each other's skills. I stand for MS, BCom, BEd and a Masters in English.
इस इदारे में अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम अपने बच्चों के लिए सुन्नत व हदीस, अक़ायद व मसाइल, सीरतुन नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम और नूरानी फ़ायदा तजदीदुल क़ुरान का अहतमाम किया गया है। इन्हीं के साथ साथ हम अपने बच्चों में आदाब व अखलाक का खास ख्याल रखते हैं।
Myself Afrin Sufyan. Alhamdulillah, I have been working at MS Creative School since 5 years. When I get home every day, yes, I am a little bit off, but I am happy and content because I have something new to improvise.
MS is the place to learn whether you are a teacher or a student.
We are trying to inculcate values and sense of responsibilities in our students toward our society.
I found many changes, not even in student, even in my personality.
Here at MS Creative School, we believe that education is not sufficient for our kids. We believe that being responsible, being kind and being a helpful person is important here.
I have to say something about MyJo concept. MyJo Smart Schooling offer a holistic approach to learning with joy. Experience the joy of learning through concept MyJo.
ये जो हमारी दर्सगाहों में उस्ताद होते हैं, हकीकत में यही कौम के बुनियाद होते हैं।
MS पाठशाला समावेशी पाठशाला है। हम यहाँ छात्र और छात्रियों को उज्जवल भविष्य को प्राप्त करने के आशा रखते हैं। ये हमारा कर्तव्य है। With little supervision by parents, our evaluation system take care of all the educational and development needs of children without much uses of edges.
I have special bond with school and students.
It's very heartwarming to see children's happy faces when they come to school every day in the morning.
Here in MS, we follow various progressive methods of teaching along with a wonderful curriculum NEP 2020.